everybody, it's me Tess with Tess Loves Yarn, and you guys, we are here today to talk about Yarnspirations all-in-one granny square yarns, otherwise known as Red Heart all-in-one granny square yarn. But before I get into that, you guys, I have got to give a little shout out to Josephine Preddy. Josephine is one of my yarny friends out there, and she was watching one of my unboxings about a month ago. It was a Mary Maxim unboxing. And in that kit, we got the Lion brand Summer Nights yarn, which you guys happens to be one of my all-time favorite yarns. And I was sad because that yarn is discontinued and I knew I couldn't get more of it, and that made me sad. But Josephine was so sweet and so kind. After watching that video, she sent me her kit, her yarn, so that I would have more of my favorite yarn. So she also sent me a little note card with a sweet letter, and I just appreciate that so much. So thank you, Josephine. You cannot imagine how much that touched my heart, what you did. So thank you, thank you. This has been a hard year, you guys, with my health issues and now looking at possibly getting a pancreatic transplant. It's like, so little gifts and acts of kindness like this means so much. So thank you, thank you. Also, I just want to say very quickly, if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a private member to my channel, you guys know how much I appreciate you and how much gratitude I have for you. We have been through a lot together over the last year, and yeah, you guys are amazing. So thank you. If you're brand new here and you love yarny content like mine, maybe, I'd be tickled pink if you'd hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps my channel tremendously. So thank you for that. Now, with that all said, let's jump in to this video. So we're going to talk about 5 different all-in-one granny square yarns. And if you're not familiar with the all-in-one granny square yarn, it is exactly what it says. It is an all-in-one yarn that will make granny squares without doing color changes. Yeah, I know, right? Poof, mind-blowing. So that is amazing in itself, right? I am going to start talking about the yarn in the order that I think they came out in. I may be wrong, so give me a little grace if I'm wrong. But the very first yarn we're going to talk about is the regular all-in-one granny square yarn. And that looks like this. It just says Red Heart Granny all-in-one square. This yarn is a number 4 worsted weight yarn. It will give you 14 6x6 squares, and this is the colorway Lily Pad. So I use that to make this square right here. It calls for a 5.5 mil hook, which is what I used, and my gauge came out very well. So you guys, a tip for using all-in-one granny square yarn: if you're finding that you have too much left over, just loosen your stitches a little, meaning don't pull your stitches so tight, okay? Just loosen them a little. If you're getting toward the end and you're running out of that round color, then you need to tighten your stitches a little, and you will get the hang of this. I mean, it starts becoming intuitive after you do 1 or 2 of these squares, so don't worry. Even if you do the first one and you're off, it's fairly easy to get into a routine of how to make these squares come out right, okay? So that's my biggest tip right there. You can also slip stitch if you have too much yarn. I've been known to slip stitch before, but you know, that's me. I would absolutely recommend you either loosen your stitches or tighten your stitches depending on if you don't have enough yarn or if you have too much in that round, okay? The next yarn, oh no, wait, we didn't talk about pricing. So you guys, I am not affiliated with Yarnspirations. They make the all-in-one granny square yarn and they are having a sale right now. Their yarn is 30 to 40% off depending on the yarn. The regular granny square yarn right now is 40% off. It's normally $10 a ball, but right now it's 6. Oh, sorry. I have to take a drink of my tea, you guys. Mm. Ah, Earl Grey. Love it. So yes, it is $6 a ball right now on Yarnspirations because it's 40% off. However, on Amazon, you get a package of 3 for $22.47, and that makes it $7.49 a ball. Now, if you order $80 or more from Yarnspirations, you get free shipping. If you don't, you might want to consider getting your yarn from Amazon, especially if you are a Prime member because you get that free shipping anyway. Also with Amazon, I think if you order over $35 and you're not a Prime member, you can still get free shipping. So I think that's how that works. But so that's the cost of that. The next yarn I want to talk about that came out is the Flower Power. Now these are older yarns. They've been out for a while, I understand. But this one is Flower Power. It is Peony Pop, the colorway. It looks like this worked up. I mean, that's gorgeous. I think that would make a beautiful cardigan or sweater. Of course, you would have to wash these several times with fabric softener to get this yarn to soften up because Red Heart yarn tends to be a little more stiff and structured, which is great for home decor type items, but not always the great for apparel. Because with apparel, you want it to be softer. It's going to be touching your skin. And a lot of times you want some drape as well, which this highly structured yarn does not give you a lot of drape, right? So the Flower Power yarn gives you a 6x6 square, just like the regular yarn, but it only makes 12 of these per ball. Okay, so you get 12 squares per ball of yarn. And this is also 40% off on Yarnspirations right now, which makes it $6 a ball. Or you can get it on Amazon for $22.47 for a 3-pack, which makes it $7.49 per ball. Now, these are all worsted weight yarn, just to let you know. And these require a size I hook. So I just want to throw that out there. If you don't have an eye hook, you might want to get one because you will need it for this. Now, the next yarn I want to talk about is by Bernat, which is also owned by Yarnspirations. It is the Bernat all-in-one blanket yarn, you guys. Yes, blanket yarn. Now, this yarn works up like this. So you get a big square here. This square is 11 by 11 and one ball makes four of these squares. Now I have already worked up one whole ball right here, and this is what it looks like. So let me there we go. So I can show you what it looks like here. I'm trying to get it all in my camera. There we go. So it's very pretty, you guys, very pretty. And it's super soft. It is the only one of the granny square yarns that's not a worsted weight. This is blanket yarn. It is a number 6 super bulky yarn, and you will need a size 8 mil hook for this yarn or a size L. This is my clover that I like to use for blanket yarn. So there you have it. So that is this one. And I think I did say it makes an 11 by 11 square. So yeah, that is the blanket yarn. The pricing on the blanket yarn, you get 2 cakes in a package for $19.96 every day on Amazon, which makes that yarn $9.98 per cake. Or you can get it on Yarnspirations right now for 30% off, which makes it $9.10 per cake. Okay, so that is the pricing on that. And we are going to go to our next yarn. I'm trying to get through this quickly because I need to eat. Yes. So our very next yarn is the Granny Square Grande. And you guys, I was really excited for this yarn because look at the square this makes. Look at this, you guys. I mean, look how big that is and how pretty that is. That's amazing, isn't it? And I chose this colorway, which this colorway is called Sepia Tone. I chose it because of the fall colors in it. I just think it's beautiful. And did I tell you what the colorway was on this blanket yarn? I don't think I did. I think it's called Asphalt. Yeah, this is Asphalt on the blanket yarn. But this one is Sepia or Sepia Tone. Yeah, Sepia Tone. And you guys, this square is 12 inches by 12 inches, and one ball of the grande will make you 4 of these squares. 4. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're planning projects. You will get 4 squares out of one ball because this is 10 rounds. This is 10 rounds going through this colorway right here. Okay, now the grande yarn on Amazon, you get 3 skeins for $21.79, which makes it $7.26 per ball. Or you can get it on Yarnspirations right now for 30% off. It's normally $10. You can get it now for $7 a piece. Okay, great deal, you guys, for either one, you know, depending on the shipping, right? The shipping that you choose. Like if you want to buy $80 at Yarnspirations, you get free shipping. Or if you're a Prime member at Amazon, it would be probably cheaper to get it there. You know, it just, you have to do the math in your brain and figure that part out. All right. So the last yarn I'm going to talk about right now is the Granny Square Petite yarn. This is another one that I really love. The little petite yarn is only 3 rounds. Now this colorway is called Dark Side. Can you guess why? Black, gray, and cream. Yes, Dark Side. And then the square that you get from this is a 4 by 4 square. This is it right here. Little 4 by 4 square, and you can see that that is 3 rounds right here. And you get 32 of these little squares out of one ball of yarn. 32 of them. And I love using like a 4-inch square for wearables. To me, it just makes it easier to figure out the sizing because I don't use patterns. I just use measurements to figure out sizes or to figure out what I want to do, right? Especially with the granny square because you're just sewing them all together. Now you guys, I do have a granny square cardigan video below that I will link in case you're interested, in case you want to get some of these granny square yarns and make your own granny squares, right? Let's see. I know I have another one. Here we go. Yeah, is the same as the pink one though, the same size. And then we have this one, which is the blanket yarn is 11 by 11. So we have 12 by 12, 11 by 11, two that are 6 by 6, and one that is 4 by 4. Okay. And did I tell you the pricing on the petite? You can get 3 skeins on Amazon for $21.79, which comes out to be $7.26 a piece. That's their everyday price. Or you can get it for 30% off at Yarnspirations right now, which makes it $7 a ball. Okay, so yeah, you guys, that is it. Leave me a message below and let me know, have you used any of these all-in-one granny square yarns? And if you have, tell me what you think about them. And do you feel the same as I do, that they're a little bit stiffer than what you would like? That's why I wash them a few times before I use them. It really does soften them up more. So that's why I recommend doing that, not because the yarn's dirty or anything. It's just, it helps to soften it up. Okay, so yeah, that's it today, you guys. Don't forget to leave me a comment below, and thank you so much for being here. Love you guys, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye, everybody.